Today we got a video from ArrestFlix, and the title of the video is Unhinged Karen Fights Police on Her Own Driveway.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your first name? Jamie. All right. Jamie, why don't we go inside the house because you don't have a coat. You don't have any.
No.
Okay.
When you're saying that he put hands on you again, can you describe how he put his hands on you? He was trying to take the phone away from me when I was trying to call 911, which I'm pretty sure is a felony offense. Okay. And then he was also trying to shove me into a room to contain me. Okay. Without any contact to the outside world. Okay. Are you injured in any way? Do you need me to call an ambulance for you? This is why I'm huddling behind a tire. Okay. Because no, I am not injured because I'm huddled behind a tire. And no one will believe me unless I stayed inside and obtained injuries. That's your hand get all beat up.
Yeah, your right hand.
This one? Yeah.
Yeah. Do you not see the scratches on your hand?
How did that happen?
How did that happen?
Yeah, it's called being a person.
Excuse me?
It's called being a person. Crafting. Oh, crafting?
Okay, those are, looks like it's fresh wounds. That's what I'm asking.
Woodworking. Yeah.
Okay, so you were woodworking this morning?
Well, today is a different day.
Okay. Those look like you have fresh scratches this morning.
I'm not trying to be combative at all.
You're not making any sense. Those look like, it looks like fresh blood, fresh wounds from this morning.
So
yes or no?
We were inquiring as Sunday. You got them.
No, today is not Sunday.
Today is not Monday. My bad. Monday. So Sunday morning, I was working on a vanity for my daughter.
Okay.
Okay, that's how you got those marks? Yes. Okay. I was working on it throughout the night and everything. I was minding my own business.
I see a little reddish over here on your arm over here. How did you get that?
I mean, do you want me to scratch my other arm? I have eczema. Do you see?
There's a big bruise on the back of your arm. Are you injured from where you're sitting?
Oh, that's from him. That's from him shoving me into the door. Okay. I probably have a same bruise right here, but I'm not gonna.
Appreciate that. Well, I'd rather have you not do that out here. Can we go inside and take a look at that?
No.
Okay, would you allow us to take any
offended.
pictures? Okay, will you allow us to take any pictures?
No.
No? Okay. All right. I'm going to talk to him.
You want to know what? I've already been arrested. Full bend over, spread your cheeks type of nothing came forward from it. So you know what? If that's what's going to come from it, please leave the property. Thank you. Shiberg? Shiberg?
Yeah. Stay here for me.
No.
They're going in to talk to him.
I'm cold.
Okay.
Do not touch me.
Okay, look.
Do not put your hands on me. I am not under arrest. Do not put your hands on me. You have no reason to enter the property. Do not put your hands on me.
You're calling the police for help, but why are you actually...
Do not put your hands on me.
I just didn't want you to
because she grabs me.
I got to hold you because I didn't want you to
Let go of the door. Back away. Off the property.
We're not leaving right now. We need to talk to him.
Video.
What's his name?
That's fine. We all have video on. All three of us have video on.
Officer Horzeski, Officer Pinto, and Officer Shabog, I am asking you to all step off of my residency.
We're not leaving.
Legally.
Did you ask them to call inside? Or should I reach this guy?
There is no call for inside this residency. Please step back. Please step back.
This is as far back as we're going.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Call an ambulance.
Hurt yourself.
I'm gonna hurt myself.
Yeah, you keep hitting the door. Why are you hitting and smacking the door if you live here?
See what I can do.
Well, I'm concerned about
You're the one that
injuries.
called us that you're hurt and injured and you're hiding behind your car.
Leave the premises. They're threatening to hurt me.
Nobody's
Open
threatened
the
to hurt you.
door.
I didn't want you to walk inside and get hurt.
Michael!
There.
Do not!
Stay there.
Ma'am!
Stay there.
Do not touch me! You are physically abusing me!
I'm not abusing you. I'm trying to
touch
keep
me!
you distance from it.
You touch me!
100%.
Do not physically come near me or abuse me! Do not come near me or physically abuse me!
There's another J5 and 3 in the house.
Baby!
Let me ask you this. Did she get physical with you from the last time the officers were here?
Baby! I'm cold and I don't have shoes on. I don't have shoes on.
Do you normally drink this much?
I don't drink at all.
I can smell. You already told my other officer you did, and I can smell it from
I
here.
did not say anything.
Yes, you did. You said you drank.
Okay, that was it.
You know what? It's not really surprising to me, but remember, the officers was trying to get her to go inside in the very beginning because it is cold outside, right? We could see the snow on the ground, yada, yada, yada. They tried different tactics. Hey, you want to walk inside? Let's have a conversation. Or, hey, let me see if that, can I see the bruise on the inside or whatever? They're saying that so that way they can try to come in contact with him because they don't know what's going on with him right now. And especially he's not answering the door. So is he alive? What's going on with him? You know what I mean? So that's probably their main concern right now is trying to get to this guy.
3 a.m. What time is it now, ma'am?
I can smell you.
What time is it now?
You tell me. You have your phone.
Ma'am?
You have your phone. You can tell me.
What time is it?
I can smell the alcohol from here. That's what I'm asking you. Do you need to
That
be
is
seen by an
hearsay.
ambulance?
That is hearsay.
No, ma'am.
By you.
It's not hearsay.
Baby!
Do you need to be seen by an ambulance?
Baby!
Do you need to be seen by an ambulance?
No.
Okay.
Please back away from me.
No, ma'am.
I feel threatened.
How could you feel threatened? My hands are in my pockets.
Because you are too close to me and I'm asking you to back away and you are not.
Correct.
Therefore, you are threatening me by
Not even a
not
little
accepting my request.
Sorry. That's not how it works.
Baby! I don't have any shoes on!
The victim said they got into an argument that turned physical, and the girlfriend tried to grab his vapes, and when he didn't let go, she scratched his hands. Then she slapped him across the face. Officers later saw fresh scratches on his hands and a red mark near his eye, just like he described. He stayed calm and told police he wanted to file a complaint.
Do not put hands on me or touch me or I will you.
Stay back.
Am I being detained?
Stay back.
Am I being
I'm
detained?
separating you from the situation. Stay back.
Am I being detained?
Let me ask you a question real quick. And I want to know the answer to this in the comment section. Guys, if a girl, whatever, is being abusive to you, slaps you in the face, beats you up, right? It's hitting you and stuff like that. Do you think it's okay to hit her back? I need to know the answer to these questions, guys. Do you think, or is it a one-sided thing where a woman can put their hands on you and you can't hit them back? Or if a woman puts her hands on you, you could put your hands on her back. What do you guys think? It's a taboo subject. You know what I'm saying?
Stay back from him.
I don't have any right
You're
to
being
detain
detained.
me.
Yes, you're being detained.
For what?
Our investigation. You called and claimed there was a domestic battery. We're here for our
So I
investigation.
called.
You're right. You did call.
There's no right to detain me.
Yes, we're doing it for our
there
investigation. And I'm keeping you separate from him. I don't
Baby.
need another altercation.
Do cops have jurisdiction over detaining you when we have no proof?
Keep her chin.
I am not cooperating. I want all of you off the property, and I'm telling her that. Okay, please. No, baby,
Hands behind your back.
babe,
Hand behind your back.
babe.
Put your hand behind your back.
Do not
Put your hand behind your
resist.
back.
I didn't do
Put your hands
anything.
behind your back.
He hit me.
Put your hands behind your back.
I didn't do
Hands behind
anything.
your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I called for protection. I didn't do anything.
How do you resist?
No,
Hands behind
you're
your back.
seriously hurt my thumb.
Put your hand behind your back.
Seriously hurt my thumb.
Put your hand behind your back.
My thumb.
Put your hand behind your back.
Please,
Put your
baby.
hand behind your back.
Please,
Stop resisting. Just
baby.
cooperate.
Hands behind your back.
Cooperate.
Put your hands behind your back.
I
You are
was being
under
abused.
arrest.
You're abusing me. Help! Call 911.
That would be us.
That would be us. We're here.
You are fake cops.
No.
Okay.
Kill! 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 Call 911. Call 911. Please don't need this.
Put your hands behind your
Please
back.
take this out on me on every other way. They're about to break my shoulder cup.
Stop resisting. Just
Please,
put your head
just
behind your
take this out on me and on me.
Stop resisting. You are under arrest.
Ow! You just broke my shoulder. Please don't do this to me.
Michael, can you grab some shoes and some...
Stop manhandling me.
Stand up. Put your feet up.
Let's go.
Baby! Stop! How dare you! How dare you!
Stand up like a human. Sit up like a human
You're
being.
abusing me!
Sit up like a human
You're
being.
abusing me!
Go for us. Come on.
Come on, just walk.
No, you're abusing me! Please! I will walk away from this residence! Please just let me get my stuff and go!
We're getting your stuff. We're getting your stuff.
I just want to go. I don't want to be arrested. Please, please, please. Okay.
Okay.
Can I turn around and stop and talk
Yes.
to you guys?
Yes.
Can I turn around
your butt
and
in.
stop and talk to you guys? Please, for a second.
Okay. Sit. Go ahead.
Slide in.
Slide in.
I will. Is there any way that I
You can
can
talk.
be
Talk.
dismissed right now? No. Even with charges? Okay. I'm sorry. Can I at least have a hoodie?
Yeah, he's getting it for you.
The jail cell is going to be really cold.
Put your shirt down.
Please, ma'am. I would rather just walk.
Can you just do forms?
Please, please, ma'am, I don't have my phone. You really asked me for my phone.
He's grabbing the...
I don't have any of my stuff memorized.
You could give that to her, to the other officer. She's gonna do some stuff with you, okay? No. Leave your seatbelt on.
Ma'am, I'm so sorry. No, ma'am, please. Yes. I was just trying to just swipe the hair out of my face, please. That was all I was asking. It's in my mouth. I'm autistic and I can't handle.
Hey everyone, it's Trent, Prior Deputy Sheriff, Patrol Sergeant.
All right, so yeah, I'm gonna fast forward this a little bit. If you guys want to see what he got to say, go over to Arrest Flicks. I'm trying to go just get to the charges. That's an officer that they have running the channel over there.
Counts of domestic battery and 1 count of resisting a peace officer, but she remains innocent until proven guilty.
Very, very interesting. So yeah, you know, do you guys think it's okay for, you know, if a woman puts their hands on you, should you put your hands on them back? You know, defending yourself. Yeah, so this lady right here, you can definitely tell she's under the influence of some things. She's abusive, you know. Now, I'm not saying that the guy is perfect. He probably does some things to get under her skin or whatever, and it just amplifies when they are under the influence of either alcohol or drugs or whatever the case may be or whatever. But yeah, I think they got it right. They got her. He was so scared to, you know, she got him scared pretty much. You know, she beating on him, boop, 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 boop. You know what I'm saying? Got him hiding in the house. He don't want to have no contact with the police and none of that. Got him shook. You know, hey, some of these chicks are how you shook now. Just like the guys, you know, abusive guys and stuff like that. I have ladies in fear and things like that or whatever. But yeah, she got his ass together, man. Damn. And she couldn't explain her bruises or anything like that. So yeah, she just needs to go. She needs to go. And but the sad part is that whenever she gets out, they're still gonna be together. Most couples are, you know, if they go through situations like this, they just go right back to each other. So it's not really, yeah, he temporarily gets a break for a day or for a couple of days or whatever, you know, gets to relax, you know what I'm saying? Probably go out, have a drink with the boys or whatever and get his mind off things. But they'll be back together. It's just the way it goes. Anyway, and it's unfortunate too. Anyway, I think the cops did a pretty decent job. I'm surprised the lady cops didn't get active a little sooner, just because typically when you have a female suspect and you got female officers, they gonna get you together. If you ain't acting right, they they gonna give you a factory reset. You know what I'm saying? So I'm a little surprised about that. They was a little, you know, they was kind of nice to her. I'm not gonna lie. It was kind of nice. They ain't really get her, you know, get her right, you know. Anyway, so I'm gonna give them 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video.